Hey, does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of changing the trigger and filter on your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner. This maintenance task is crucial for keeping your vacuum running efficiently. As it would more on, how Kelatos Informática Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Dyson Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Ensure you have a replacement trigger and filter ready for installation. Begin by unplugging your Dyson SV12 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so make sure the vacuum is completely powered down before proceeding. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum. Using your Dyson Torx screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover away from the main body of the vacuum. With the back cover off, you will see the internal components. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside using your soft cloth. This will help maintain the vacuum's performance. Now, let's focus on the trigger. The trigger is connected by a small clip. Using your flathead screwdriver, gently pry the clip away from the trigger. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. Once the clip is removed, you can easily detach the old trigger from the vacuum. Take your new trigger and align it with the connection point. Push it firmly into place until you hear a click, indicating it is securely attached. Reattach the clip to ensure the trigger is held firmly in position. Next, we will replace the filter. Locate the filter compartment, which is usually situated near the motor. Open the compartment and carefully remove the old filter. It's advisable to check the condition of the filter regularly, as a clogged filter can significantly reduce suction power. Insert the new filter into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Close the compartment securely to prevent any dust from escaping during operation. Now, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it with the main body of the vacuum and press it down gently. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly so, as this could damage the plastic. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional diagnosis without obligation. Our service ensures that you don't have to worry about calls or travel, and you will receive a quote before any repair is undertaken. Once the screws are in place, give your vacuum a quick wipe down to remove any fingerprints or dust. Plug the vacuum back in and test the new trigger and filter to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Congratulations! You have successfully changed the trigger and filter on your Dyson SV12. Regular maintenance like this will help prolong the life of your vacuum and keep it performing at its best. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.